Alright, welcome back. This tutorial is about using the AutoSum function in Excel. All we have to do is enter the data and then use the AutoSum function to calculate the total cost. To get started, I'll enter some random spreadsheet, and in the test they'll be given a screenshot of what they have to type. The students will be given a screenshot of what they have to type. So I'll just enter some random entries. For example, my shopping list, and here I can have items like eggs and milk, yogurt, I can have my cost here. I'm going to add some fictitious prices, they are not real life prices. Also, yogurt can be like 230, cream can be 150. Now, I would also like to add that if you're required to use a currency format, that is, change your numbers into a currency like dollars, if you want to use that format, then all you have to do is select the cells which have the numbers in them and then click on this dollar sign here in the number group. You should be in the home tab. You should go to the number group and click on the dollar sign. That is it. The values will remain the same. All it does is it adds a dollar sign and puts a decimal point and two decimal numbers after the decimal point. Now, for the main activity, how to use the AutoSum function. So I'll select a label here so that I know this is the total cost on over here in cell B9. Try to select an empty cell below the numbers where it should be in the same column as the column in which you have typed your numbers or cost or price or whatever. Try to select an empty cell in the same column below them, below the numbers. All you have to do is move your mouse pointer over here, click on the AutoSum button, and it will automatically select the correct cells for you. The empty cell, the empty row over here does not matter. It will not affect your total. Just press the enter key on your keyboard to get the total. Now, in the test, the students are required to use the AutoSum function. If they try to add the total and type the number manually, they will not get the marks. They have to use the AutoSum function. And that's as easy as it gets.